and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dorothy, but you can call me Dora. So on today's video, we'll be continuing from where we left off on how to be a flight attendant in Nigeria. Yes, how to be a cabin crew in Nigeria. If that sounds like something that you are still interested in, I will need you to sit back and grab all the information you'll be needing from this video. Now, let's quickly get into it. So in our previous video, we talked about how to be a flight attendant in Nigeria, qualities of being a flight attendant, the requirements of being a flight attendant, and also we mentioned some of the aviation training school where you can train to be a cabin crew in Nigeria. We also went further to talk about airlines, commercial airlines in Nigeria, and how to get to know when these airlines are recruiting for cabin crew positions. Yes, so on today's video, we'll be talking about how to prepare for cabin crew interview. Now, you've finished your training with cabin crew aviation training school and you've been issued your license. The next step is to start searching for a job. You've reached out to these airlines via their website and you've submitted your CV. You have been invited for an interview. So now this video will tell you all you need to know about the cabin crew interview process. So now the first point is for you to make your research. Go online, search for questions, interview questions for cabin crew in Nigeria. You can also ask flight attendants, people that are currently working as flight attendants in the said airline you've applied to. That's why I made mention of networking on our last video. You have to have a working network. So you have to network with people that are currently flying for that airline. Get to ask questions, make your research, search on YouTube, search on Google, just search for frequently asked interview questions. Now, the next one is you want to ensure that you've done your research on the airline you are going to for an interview. You have to know about the mission statements of the airline. If you check their website, you may find it there. Vision of the airline. You have to check for the dates the airline started operation. You have to also find out about the fleet the airline operates. You also want to find out about the routes the airlines operate. Yeah, you also want to know about their CEO, the chairman of the airline, as the case may be. Now, having all this information, having done your homework, your due diligence, you want to prepare for the D-Day of the interview. Now, for your interview dress code, you want to ensure that you appear on a corporate outfit. Yes, a formal outfit. It could be a suit, it could be a blazer, it could be a gown, as the case may be, but it has to be a formal / a corporate outfit. Now, you want to consider colors like black, gray, navy blue. Yeah, you don't want to go for loud colors. You just want to appear cool and smart. Now, for the females, you want to consider packing your hair in a bun. You don't want to have hair littering around your face during the interview. Also, you want to go for a natural or black hair colors. You don't want to appear for your interview wearing an orange color, red color of hair, or a neon green color of hair. It's a no-no. Now, the next thing, for the guys, you want to appear with your hair neatly cut and your beard neatly shaved. You want to appear on a suit or on a shirt, neatly ironed shirt, with your tie, either a bow tie or a normal tie. Your trousers are neatly ironed and you're looking very sharp for the interview. Now, for the ladies, Your makeup, you want to appear on, your makeup should be minimal, nothing loud, nothing shouty, no exaggerated lashes. Your lipstick, you can opt for a nude lip or a red lip. Yes, so most airlines actually have their cabin crews wearing red lipsticks. Please, you don't want to appear in any gothic kind of look, any scary kind of makeup look. For your nails, it has to be neatly manicured. You can use nude colors, French tips, or red polish to polish your nails neatly and not too long. Next thing on the list, you want to smell nice and always wear a smile, a welcoming smile. Now, the next one on the list, you have to arrive for your interview on time. When I mean on time, you have to arrive at least 30 or 20 minutes early to the interview venue. This will give you time to settle down, arrange your credentials if you've not done so already from home, to give you time to interact with others, network, and get to ask questions. You never can tell, you could get to find out new information about the interview you intend to go in for. Now, the next thing on the list is the phases of interview. Now, for cabin crew interview in Nigeria, it is usually in 3 phases. For international interviews, it could be up to 5 phases, but for cabin crew in Nigeria, the interview phases are usually 3 phases. The first phase is the aptitude test phase, the second phase is the group exercise phase, and the last phase is the one-on-one interview phase. Yes, where you have to get to sit face to face with your interviewer. It could be one person, it could be a panel of interviewers interviewing you for the position you have applied for. Now, you need to know that you have to pass the first stage to be able to be called for the second stage, and you have to pass the second stage to be able to make it to the face-to-face interview. Now, the aptitude test phase consists of verbal reasoning and some numerical reasoning tests where you are presented with mathematical problems that you have to solve. Yes, so for the verbal reasoning test, you are presented with a comprehension passage where you have to read and understand the passage, and using the information, the data present in that comprehension passage, where you have to read and understand it and then provide answer to the questions from that page. Now, the next one is numerical, let's just call it mathematical problem solving. You'll be given some simple mathematical problems to solve and provide answers. Yes, so after that phase, when you get to pass that phase, you go in for the second phase, which is the group exercise phase. Now, as a cabin crew, you get to work with other crew members. The majority of the job you'll be doing as a cabin crew is with other team members. Yeah, so they want to check your ability to function as a team player. Also, they are looking out for your leadership skills, your ability to take initiatives, as the case may be. Now, this is a pro tip for you. During your group exercise phase, you want to make sure your voice is heard. You want to make sure to contribute. You don't want to hide behind the shadows of other applicants that are there for the interview. Also, you want to make sure not to overdo it by taking charge of everything. No, you don't want to be seen as a busybody or someone that is always forward. Yes, so you want to try as much as you can not to overdo the whole thing, but you really do not want to hide under the shadow of others. You want to try as much as you can to contribute to the group exercise. You guys are given a topic, you want to try to contribute effectively to that course. So after this stage, After this phase of the interview, when you scale through, you will be invited for the final phase of the interview, which is the one-on-one interview. The one-on-one interview is one you really want to prepare yourself for. It's your last chance to make an impression on your interviewers. Now, on our next video, we will be talking about the one-on-one interview, how to prepare yourself, and how to ace your one-on-one interview. Please, I would like you to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already. I would like you to turn on the notification bell so that you get to be notified when a new video is up. And also, I would like you to share this video, give us a thumbs up. Please ask questions in the comment section and I'll be there to reply to all your questions. Thank you very much for stopping by. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.